Hi, and welcome to this episode on the Enhanced Notification Center in Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session, we will simply look at how you can utilize all the options within the Notification Center to ensure that you stay on top of all the changes and new additions to documents on a day-to-day basis. So let's get you started. So first of all, just landing here on the home screen, you're aware that we have notifications that appear here in this section here. And you can see that they're set out very well in terms of usability. We can see exactly what has happened. So for example, here created a new invoice, a new goods receipt, a new return, if there was any approvals. So they would all be listed here. But now up here within the notification center, so we now click into here, you can see that we've made it consistent then between the two screens. The notifications that also appear here look exactly the same as what you're used to seeing within the home screen, so just keeping consistency. In addition to that, now you can click in here to the notification center. And from here, again, you can see all your notifications listed. Again, from here, what we can do is we can click into any of those transactions. So for example, if an approval had been sent to you, for a document had been sent for approval that you needed to be notified on, it will appear here. If I want to simply drill into this transaction to take a look at this particular invoice, I can click on that invoice and I'm taken straight through to that document. So just going back to the notifications and back into the notification center itself. Over here on the third tab under settings, well, this is where it changes. So this is where you can now decide what notifications you get to see on a day-to-day basis. So those based on your sales transactions, CRM, your purchase, and your services module. So for example, if we look here under sales, well, if I have this box ticked here, any new order, it means it will show any order that has been added to the system, whether that's by you or any other user. So that's all new sales orders. Whereas new order will only show those orders added by you, the user. So you can decide how much information comes through on the notifications on a day-to-day basis. If you've given your customers access to the customer portal and you want to ensure that you don't miss the orders as they come through, you can tick the box here to again be notified of any new orders from customer one. The same again with deliveries, returns, invoices, credit notes. And the same again, of course, under CRM for any new opportunity or just new opportunities that you've added into the system. It really is that simple. And of course, just going back to under following, if you have or any users, well, in particular yourself, if you're following any particular documents, and that's where you've gone into sales and gone into, let's say, for example, an activity, a sales invoice, a sales order delivery, and you have chosen through the actions button to follow that transaction, they will appear here under following. So at all times you get to keep on top of all the changes and additions that are made through the system. So the notification center becomes an invaluable tool on a day-to-day basis. So you never miss a change. And for example, if you are allocated as an approver, for example, of purchase documents, of purchase orders and purchase requests, that you never miss a notification for those approvals. So at any point in time, you can clear off a notification once you've drilled in and confirmed and accepted it. And of course, back out in the center here, you can also clear all notifications. So you can manage the center as you require it on a day-to-day basis. So if you require any further help, don't forget to check out our help articles on help.enterprise.com or reach out to our support representatives on the support chat. So thank you for watching.